Hello guys, my name is Abhinav Bhushan Jha and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So basically this is a story of my fish keeping journey throughout 10 months and how I ended up with two broken tanks. So in the month of January I got a 3 feet tank. The dimensions were 3 into 1.5 into 1.5. I got a pair of tiger oscars, a pair of blood parrots, a pair of green terrors and a pair of turquoise jewel cichlids. So starting at the time I didn't have much knowledge that you can't mix African cichlids with the American ones. At the time the green terror one grew very fast and started bullying my Oscar cichlids. So one day I noticed that the Oscars had received a good beating from that green terror. So I made a decision at that time and I exchanged the green terrors for a pair of common seaworms, as you can see on the screen now. So yeah, everything was going fine. At the time the turquoise jewel one was the bigger one and was the most dominant fish in the tank. I had them on a diet of Hikari Biogold pellets, the mini pellets, and till this day also I give them the same food, and also I was giving them tetrabits and occasional feeding of that black soldier larvae that you have seen in my previous videos, and sometimes I would feed them mutton or chicken liver. So yeah, you can see on the screen that the seaworms are lip locking. This is the way they fight actually. So yeah, it was going pretty smooth. I would say till the month of May I was having no problems at all. But then the cyclone Yash came. It hit the eastern part of India, especially Bihar, Bengal and Orissa. And I think due to that atmospheric pressure, one fine day I found that the water was dripping down from my aquarium. And when I further inquired, I noticed two cracks. One was at the back of the aquarium and one was at the bottom side. So in a hurry I got them out and had them in temporary arrangements in buckets and tubs. I called my fish store guy and ordered the same dimension aquarium, but it took around 3-4 days till I get the new one. In that time, unfortunately, one of my tiger cichlids, Oscar ones, the one you are seeing on the screen, the rounded body one, couldn't make it. I had to go to work during that time, and one of the days, just before the day I could get my new aquarium, the oxygen pump wasn't working for some time and he couldn't make it, unfortunately. And my worries were not ending at that time. I ordered the new tank. Once it came, I was always in a state of worry that it can happen again, and how right I was to know that, because just in a matter of 3 months my new aquarium also broke, and this time even it was broken from one side to other side, at the back side only. I will be giving the images of those broken tanks. So I was pretty disheartened. I would be completely honest with you, I was almost in the mood of quitting the hobby at the time. And since it was a lot of work, the fish keeping thing is very rewarding, but it can be a very hectic thing, especially when you are having a daytime job. So yeah, in a couple of seconds I think the first aquarium that broke would be showing up on the screen. So yeah, this is the parrot cichlids and the green seaworms. So yeah, this is the tank that broke. Actually it broke from the back side also and the bottom side also, and I tried to glue it with super glue, but the effort was in vain. So yeah, the new tank came, and for around 3 months again I wasn't having no problems. But again one day I saw the water dripping down from my aquarium, and when I noticed, there was a major crack from the back side. It went from one side to the other side, like I was totally devastated at the time. I didn't know what to do. Again, I called my fish store guy. He was in a matter of he was in a state of shock that how can this happen, because he was giving me 8 glass. So that was a pretty sturdy one, and we were hoping that it would withstand such amount of water pressure and also the fish activities that were going in the tank. But unfortunately, it wasn't able to. So yeah, I was ended with two broken tanks. But still, I didn't give up, and again, I got a replacement of the back glass, and the same aquarium, the second one. I got it made almost to the stage of new, because the back glass of the aquarium was replaced, and from the first aquarium that broke from two places, I ordered him and said him that I want a new aquarium of a smaller dimension. This is now a goldfish tank, and keep in touch. I will make you updated the goldfish tank.